powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Morningside Mica in Sandton.
We are ideally situated in what I call the Sandton playground here. We really are in the center of a major hub, and particularly this store is really a maintenance and DIY.
It's a little big store in Sandton. As you can see, we've got a product displayed from floor to ceiling and corner to corner. I've got a very nice team, knowledgeable about it, without any doubt. Plascon is a brand that is there for every kind of project. Personally, I love Polven. It's one of the best class paint for durability, reliability and affordability. And then spread rate coverage is very excellent. Preparation is a key for any paint job that you do. You have to prepare your surface and then make sure that everything is dry and clean so that you can able to have a good results after that. For our customers, we do it's all about being able to save on one-on-one through experience that we have. We save them because we are close to them. We tell them exactly what is to use, and that makes the communication easier for us.
The core of this business and the main essence of Morningside Hardware is really the people. It's the passion, it's the vibe. If the passion's there, then everything else takes care of itself.
Handy heroes powered by Plascon. We've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Mica Tech's strong enough to endure anything.